Yeah, it's me, Natalie, and welcome to my channel, Glam Some Nails. So, for this, it's a mini haul from Varnails. Yeah, I love Varnails packaging. It's so nice. Look at that, isn't it lovely? They have all the, you know, the bits and pieces here. They're on Facebook. What's that? Is that TikTok? I think that's TikTok, yeah. Instagram and YouTube, yeah, they're on them all. So, oh, I love this. Look at this packaging. Love it. And I also like that with you always get a discount for your next lot of bits and pieces. They always give you a 25% off for your next lot. It's quite good, that. So I've got one for my next lot. I don't know if other people can use it. It's VN back 25, but I'm pretty sure it's for only if you've had orders off them before. I also like the fact they always give you these instruction booklets, which is quite good, really. You know, I mean, a few of them do it, I think, but yeah, I do like that. Yeah, for whatever you're using. Anyways, what did I get? I didn't get a lot. I didn't get an awful lot, but they had a bug off. You know, buy one get one free. So, as I say, I didn't get loads because, you know. So, what did I get? I'll show you that after. So, I got, as I say, it's not a lot. It's only a real tiny haul, actually. I got this set sail. And this is, well, they still give you them, don't they, Varnails? I do like that. I've got a load of Varnails, you know. I got a load. Yeah. And it's this, look at that, it's a beautiful blue. Now, what I'm going to do, oh God, don't get it off the edge. I'm going to, I don't really use these. I'm going to try this next bit that came with, that I bought with this. So, I also got this. Now, I have this. This is that way. Oh, by the way, just so you know, they're TPO free, HEMA free, and all the frees to these. Yeah, they're really good, cruelty friendly. And you know, that cruelty friendly. That's not right. No, they're not cruelty friendly. Freaking hell! I am going to leave that in there. Not cruelty. They're cruelty free. Oh, that's bad. That isn't it bad? That see. Oh, why are they really cruelty free? No, they're not. It's all cruelty free and all that. Oh, Natalie, what's going on, man? Anyway, sorry. Yes, so they are. Now, I got this. This is that wave gel. I'll show it you. Look. Oh, come on. Oh, it's that one. And I've seen loads of people using this. It's really good. That's why I got that blue, because I wanted to try. I do have a couple of Varnails. Other can't remember the name of it now. Harbour. No, that's grey. It's called something else. But I've got another blue one, a Peri, I think it's called, Periwinkle, something like that. Yeah, so I could use that really with it if I wanted to. So I got that, but this was buy one get one free. So I got another one. So one of these will be going in my giveaway. So when I reach 500, I'll have a giveaway, and one of these will be going in with it. So I got those. Like I say, it's only a little haul. I can't remember getting this, but apparently it was in there. I don't know if this is a freebie. I don't know. I don't remember ordering this, but these are Varnail stickers. But I wonder if it's to do with this wave, because these are like clouds and things. I don't know, because I suppose you could... Oh, I don't know, actually. I don't remember ordering them, but I might have done. Anyway, there's some stickers, very pretty. Some of them are clouds, some of them are flowers. And you could probably... Yeah, you could probably stick the square on then. You know, use one of those little sponges and sponge the colour on that you want to use. Yeah, I suppose. Got that. But the main thing I got as well were these tips. These are supposed to be very good. These are, again, I've seen a couple of people using them, so I thought I'll give them a try. That was all I got, really. I didn't get much else. But look at these. Yeah, they look really, they are very, you know, they're not like rock hard. You know, like the rock hard ones. Well, I suppose you put that on, fill it with your polygel or whatever. Bob's your uncle, innit? Yeah. But I got these for myself, but then I realised they were just a bit too long. I thought they'd be about maybe there, and I might have worked with them, put them on myself, but I'll probably use them for my practice on, to be honest. So that was it, yeah. And, like I say, I've had Varnails before, and I'll show you. two of my favourite colours ever. I'll show you this one first. This is June Bride, and it's 003. I think they still do these, by the way. And I've had these ages. Why do I keep all boxes? Does anybody else do that? Is it just me? Look at this. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous colour. So that's June Bride. And the other one was Sunny Afternoon, and it's 001. But I've got a feeling this has gone a bit... I'll have to check this, really. Oh, no, it's fine. I thought you'd gone lost a bit. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? Isn't that so pretty? So, yeah, they're two of my favourite colours then. But you can see I've had them ages. But for some reason, I just keep them in a box because I don't know, because I'm a clown maybe. Who knows? But that was my mini Varnails haul. Yeah, you have to let me know what you think. Like I say, I'm going to put one of these in the giveaway. And the other one I'll obviously keep myself. And I might have a play about with these next. Because I've got the Born Pretty one. I might try both the Born Pretty and the Varnails one. Just to see what they're both like. Yeah, I might give it a go, we'll see. But yes, that is my mini Varnails haul. Hope you're all doing well. Thanks for clicking on the video. I do appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, subscribe and join the Glam Slam fam. Yeah, and yeah, keep your eyes peeled for the giveaways and things. I do have another. Well, I'll just say this: I've got something coming that I thought was on Varnails, but I couldn't find it on the Varnails website. It's on another website, but when it gets here, I'll show it you, and we'll have a play around with that. And yeah, I hope to see you next time. And like I say, stay subscribed. And I'll see you later. Bye, guys.